Well, what we're going to try and do today is fix this cracked ballast tank on a Mastercraft XT25. Just prep the surface with some 60 grit sandpaper. Doesn't really matter if it's wood or whatever, just something to stuff the surface. This material is polyethylene, and we'll keep it going. Update as we go. So the tool of choice to weld this ballast tank is a uni-weld kit. It's got your different temperature settings for your different types of plastic. There's the instructions there. It says 80 grit, I use 60. And then that's soldering iron. And then you just feed this rod into this board out that side and weld the tank together. So we will, once this warmed up, we will get welding. So now we have the surface prepped and the groove cut out, so we can fill with the polyethylene rod. Just waiting for the welder to warm up. Well, now we got the soldering iron smoking. Started to do the first little bit of welding on it. Doesn't look the best right now, but we'll get it cleaned up. Push some of the plastic welding filler rod into the soldering iron, like so. And we just kind of go back and forth, work it into place. Smooth it out. Just keep refilling and going over your work. Okay, we're just cleaning up the plastic now. Trying to smooth it out. Get it to blend. Weld. Make sure we got good coverage over the crack. I'm gonna sand it all off and check, make sure we didn't miss no spots. That should be a fixed ballast tank. And we have a fully welded ballast tank. I'll just sand that all up. And she's done.